A knowledgeable, well-trained staff is one of the key ingredients to a successful veterinary practice. However, the process of staff training is a challenging one and is often overlooked or even neglected. Most veterinary hospitals simply don't make the investment of time and money that's required to develop and implement an effective training program. Animal Care Technologies has been providing quality staff training resources to the veterinary industry for the past decade. Animal care training materials include modules that cover virtually every position in the veterinary hospital in order to provide a comprehensive and cost-effective turnkey solution to all your training needs. In its continuing effort to improve quality and add value, Animal Care Training has released its entire training library online. Now, with just a click of a button, your staff can access hours worth of high-quality, streaming media content that includes training for veterinary assistants, receptionists, technicians, and managers. There are also client education materials, practice tips, and more. Let's look at some of the benefits that an animal care training program can provide your hospital. First, it makes training staff easy and rewarding. A common cause of high employee turnover is low job satisfaction or frustration with their work. People who work in veterinary hospitals are often motivated in part by their desire to learn how to care for animals. When this objective is satisfied with the Animal Care Training comprehensive online training system, employees will not only provide better care for the patients, they will enjoy their work more and be much less likely to change jobs. Another benefit of the online training program goes beyond the delivery of content. Effective training requires measurable feedback in order to create accountability. Animal Care Training accomplishes this by providing online review questions and testing to show that the staff member is truly learning the material. The account administrator also has access to a log function that allows tracking of each video segment viewed, when it was viewed, test scores, and review questions answered. Animal Care Training also provides certification and CE credits to those that successfully complete the requirements. The most telling benefit is directly measured by your clients and by your practice revenues. An AVMA Pfizer study clearly demonstrated that those practices that implemented staff development programs generated greater revenues, over $34,000 per year on average. Staff members that are knowledgeable produce not only more revenues for the practice, they also increase the overall level of client satisfaction. So it should be clear that training your staff is not a question of if, but how. The keys to effective training are: number one, have a systematic program in place that provides for proper skills and knowledge. 2, create accountability by measuring progress and providing constructive feedback. And 3, reward accomplished staff members for their expertise as well as their customer service. Animal Care Training knows the training needs of the veterinary hospital and the elements of an effective training program. Our materials have been used to successfully train tens of thousands of veterinary employees across the country. With the newest release of our online services, these materials have never been easier to obtain or use. Call today for a free 30-day trial or visit 4act.com and begin to effectively train your staff today.